In this video, you will see step by step what you can do in order to be eligible for the Hop Exchange airdrop. This is George from Crypto Elite, and on this channel I focus on teaching people about crypto related stuff without the nonsense. So let's start. First step we have to do is add XDAI network in our MetaMask wallet. So we know the drill by now, as we done in the previous videos already. So we go here, we click XDAI Connect Wallet, this chain here, add to MetaMask wallet, switch networks, okay, and by now I guess it will be added. Yes, connect, okay, XDAI, you see, that's that, good. Okay, second step, move some Matic tokens, around 10 to 50 from the Gate.io exchange. If you really want to do this airdrop with the lowest possible fees, you have to do it this way. I already searched all the exchanges that you can think of, and of course Binance doesn't let you send any kind of Matic tokens out of their exchange because of some restrictions they have right now, and as we go along this problem will be more and more often, so no Binance, and the other ones are like they don't have even Matic. So you go to your Gate.io exchange. So yeah, we are going here, Matic tokens, choose Polygon here, put whatever your address is here, and here you can put from 10 to 50. I guess this amount is depending on you. There is not any amount that we should put that makes us more eligible or not. So this is only on your opinion here. And then you click those here and you click send. Then you will see the Matic tokens here after a few minutes, and then we go to this page that I will also link in the description below, hop.exchange. And what this does here, by going here, you will see this. What this exchange does actually, it lets you exchange coins from all those networks to those networks. For example, if I had a USDC in Polygon, I can change it to USDC on Optimism, and hops from network to network without having to go back in ETH, if that makes sense. So it only hops from chain to chain without touching Ethereum. So that's very cool actually. So back to the steps. Okay, the best combination that you can choose here that I found in order to save you a ton of fees is of course to avoid Ethereum, because if you do Ethereum you will charge 60 USD in order to bring money here, and another 60, who knows, $100 for the fees in order to send some tokens and exchange them here. And the best combination that I found in order to make this easier for you is to click Matic token on Polygon here and bring it to XDAI. So the first step is to do an exchange, send some tokens from the Polygon, Matic tokens from Polygon into XDAI. And for example here, when you send the Matic tokens, you will see something like 50 Matic tokens. Click here 50, and then you will click approve. Now of course I don't have any Matic tokens to this address, but I have in my other addresses. You will find this button enabled, so you click here and then you click on your MetaMask wallet, approve, etc., and then you can see this button enabled. Then you click send from here, then again you will click OK on a pop-up here, and then approve the transaction on the MetaMask wallet. So this is step one. Of course I have to say this: if for example you bring 50 Matic tokens here, please split half of them in here and do the transaction here, and the other 25 are meant to be used on the pool. So you can add liquidity here on the pool from those 25 that have left, or the half of your stack. So here you can go Polygon Matic as well. And of course then you have to convert the Matic to W-Matic tokens by placing 25 as you, or whatever you have left in your wallet. Then you click wrap, and then you have the wrapped Matic here. Then you put them there, and then you click add liquidity. So you click that, and you click OK, and OK on your MetaMask as well, and there you have it. So this was the step 4. One step was to send some tokens from one network to another network on the same coin, which is this one here. And by the way, just do a screenshot that so you can have it and watch it later, step by step. And then the second one is to add some liquidity here with the Matic token. Of course, I forgot to mention that you should leave some Matic tokens here and not drag them all inside the liquidity pool. For example, you can leave 5 Matic tokens just for the gas fees to go in and out on the exchange, just to be safe. I should warn you though that if you try to find yourself the best coin you can exchange here to send here, you will have a really big trouble, because if you send USDT, you will find out that your exchange charges you $30 or $50 to send it here, and another 51 for the transaction here. So really the best one is the Matic in this case. And I don't know, I'm trying to find the best information to show you and teach you how to do this, because I know in some countries fees are really big deal. So at this point, actually, if you really think you have find good YouTubers, you should really support them, because instead of supporting the big ones that they showing you, for example, oh, this is the exchange, go find it yourself, instead of supporting those that they are only showing something just for the views, I think you should really be considered to who you subscribe yourself to. And if you haven't done this by now, I guess you know what to do, or at least don't let other people remind you to subscribe. If you really get some value from something, you should do that on your own without other people asking. I would really like to mention here that I am not guaranteed that you will get that airdrop. Even to myself, I am just showing what you can do in order to be possibly eligible, if you know what I'm saying. Because some people, they think that, oh, if we do those things, we will be eligible. But, of course, that's my personal opinion, and that's why I'm doing this, because I believe in this project, but I'm not responsible for any losses that you might have, or if they delay the airdrop, or if they don't do it at all. So that's just my opinion. Okay. And of course, we don't know the snapshots and the dates that they will set for the airdrop, if they set. But in my personal opinion, I believe that this will be something really special, and they kinda don't want to leave airdrop out of the game, because they really have to move on fast. So what's the best possible way to move fast? Give free money. You guessed it. So it's not like a magic, guys. So that was it for today. You can share this video with a friend, because if you really want to make money, I guess you would want your friends to make money as well. So share it with your friends or whatever you have, and we talk again next time. Okay, take care. Bye bye.